Hello everyone, welcome again to the fifth part of chapter 1 Evolution of Computer made for standard 5. Children, today we will going to discuss about the important point of the chapter. Charles Babbage is considered as father of computers. He invented difference engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1833. Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace was the first programmer. ENIAC was the first general-purpose electronic digital computer invented in 1946. UNIVAC 1 was the first computer to handle both numeric and text data. Computers are categorized into 4 types with respect to their speed, storage capacity, size, cost. The 4 types of computers are microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computers, and supercomputers. Now, after completion of the chapter, today we are discussing all the objective and subjective question answer in this video. Let's start with the objective question answer. In section A, fill in the blanks. The first mechanical calculating device was dash. The answer will be abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical calculating device, as we have learned earlier. Second, dash invented the first automatic sequence controller calculator Mark I. So, who invented Mark I? We already learned in the chapter. Howard Aiken invented the first automatic sequence controlled calculator Mark I. Dash is the world's fastest supercomputer. Sumit is the world's fastest supercomputer. The first general-purpose electronic computer was, the answer will be ENIAC. The analytical engine was invented by Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is also known as or considered as father of computer. Next is straight, true or false. UNIVAC 1 was the first computer to handle both numeric and text data. It's true. Charles Babbage invented the difference engine in 1822. It is also true. The answer of first and second will be true. The first generation computers used transistors. No, it uses vacuum tubes as circuitry. So the answer will be false. The tabulating machine was invented by J. Presper Eckert. It is also false. It was developed by Hermann Hollerith. Fifth, George Boole developed the Boolean logic. It is true. Now let's see match the following. We have to match section A with the section B options. But while writing in copy, we will write it face to face. First, Lady Augusta Lovelace. The best match will be the first programmer. Second generation computers, transistors. Blaise Pascal, Pascaline. Third generation computer, integrated circuit. McRae, 1973. Let's see some application based questions. Raman works in the National Weather Forecasting Agency. Which type of computer does he use to forecast the weather conditions? Already we have learnt in the chapter, for weather forecasting supercomputers are used. So the answer will be supercomputers. Which type of computers do Indian Railway use to interact with the customer for the booking and cancellation of the ticket? As we learnt in the chapter, for railway ticketing or airline ticketing, we use mainframe computers. So the answer will be mainframe computers. Now come to section B, multiple choice questions. The era of first generation computer was, the right option will be B, 1942, 1956. Next, dash is an example of supercomputer. The option will be A, Theane 2 is an example of supercomputer. Dash are used in homes, schools, shops, offices, banks, etc. The answer will be A, microcomputers. Next, punched cards were designed by, the right answer will be B, Herman Hollerith. The dash language was used in first generation of computer. The answer will be B, machine language was used in first generation of computers. Now let's see question and answer. Answer the following question. First you have to write the question with the black pen and you have to answer it with blue pen. Name the first mechanical calculator produced commercially. The name will be Thomas Arithmeter. Next question is, who is considered as father of computers? As you all know, Charles Babbage is considered as father of computers. Next question is, which was the first general purpose electronic digital computer and who invented it? The answer will be ENIAC. The full form of ENIAC is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Was the first general purpose electronic digital computer invented by John Moseley and J. Presper Eckert. Now next question, write any three features of fourth generation computers. We have to write the three features of fourth generation computer. So we will write the three features of fourth generation computer are, first, the fourth generation computers used microprocessors technology. Second will be data input is accomplished through keyboard, mouse and scanner, etc. Third will be these computers make use of special software such as RDBMS for maintaining large database. Next question is, name the various types of microcomputer, explain any two. Microcomputers can be classified into three subcategories. They are, first, desktop computers, second, laptop computers, and third, tablet computers. We have to describe any two. So Desktop computer. Desktop computers are designed to fit comfortably on top of the desk. These computers come with several units such as CPU, keyboard, mouse, etc. Laptop computers. Laptop computers are small in size and can be placed on the lap. These computers are battery operated and portable but more expensive than desktop computers. Next question is, write a short notes on abacus. Abacus was first mechanical device for calculations developed in China. It was made up of wooden frame with rods which is divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Each rod in heaven has 2 beads and each rod in earth has 5 beads. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And the last question is, what is the difference between a laptop and tablet? A laptop is a small in size and can be placed on the lap. It usually has the screen size of 13 to 15 inch. A tablet, however, is smaller and lighter than laptops. It usually has a screen size 7 to 10 inches. So, thank you.